Cooking is an essential part of everyday life. It sustains, nourishes, and comforts. In many low-income countries, communities have no option but to use harmful and polluting biomass fuels burnt on inefficient stoves to cook. Staggeringly, more than 950 million Africans, especially those living in Sub-Saharan Africa, lack access to clean cooking solutions. Clean cooking solutions comprise fuels and technologies that cause very little household air pollution. Accelerating access to clean cooking in Sub-Saharan Africa is pivotal to meeting over 50% of the Sustainable Development Goals and thereby achieving a better and more sustainable future for all. Lack of access to clean cooking solutions has a range of negative impacts. Health. Air pollution from burning biomass indoors is a major health concern. Millions of people die prematurely every year from illnesses caused by household air pollution. The use of traditional biomass fuels often exposes the user, especially the most vulnerable, to toxic levels of pollutants. Gender. Since women tend to do most of the cooking, often with their children nearby, these harmful fuels disproportionately affect women and children. Using biomass fuels for cooking also requires more time and effort, which can interfere with schooling, leisure, and income-generating activities for women. Women and children are also often at a higher risk of exposure to injury and physical violence during fuel collection. Transitioning to clean and efficient cooking technologies has been found to significantly reduce cooking time and household fuel expenses. Environment. The persistent use of firewood and charcoal for cooking is a big contributor to environmental hazards, leading to loss of assets and livelihoods in Africa. Climate. Black carbon is a major contributor to climate change. Per unit of mass, it has a warming impact on climate that is up to 1,500 times stronger than carbon dioxide. More than half of man-made black carbon emissions worldwide come from household fuel combustion. The annual cost of inaction around clean cooking for health, gender, climate, and environment is estimated at $330 billion in Sub-Saharan Africa. Fortunately, national and local governments in Africa are increasingly focused on creating enabling policies that promote the development of the clean cooking sector. The private sector is also testing innovative context-specific approaches and technologies to provide clean, modern, and improved energy cooking services. Since 2020, more than half of Africa's urban population are living in informal settlements. While cities offer access to livelihood opportunities and better services, urban informal settlements are often located in areas unsuitable for development, making it difficult to adequately plan and provide essential infrastructure and services such as adequate energy access. Under this backdrop, the ENACT project is working to strengthen collaborations between the private sector and national and subnational governments in African cities. The project is testing and implementing innovative and context-specific, clean and modern energy cooking solutions for the urban poor in informal settlements in Freetown, Sierra Leone, and Kampala, Uganda, with the aim of increasing access to clean cooking technologies for up to 3,000 households and businesses. Through accelerating access to clean cooking in sub-Saharan African cities, the ENACT project is transforming lives. We welcome partners and friends to join us in taking models tested and proven via the ENACT project to many additional cities and communities across Africa.